Hi, this is Dr. Vivek. People are obsessed about hyaluronic acid. I have got lots and lots of comments to make a video about hyaluronic acid or how to make hyaluronic acid at home. There is a myth in the market about hyaluronic acid. People think that hyaluronic acid is a magic. It will create the magic on your skin and you will look much better, much younger using hyaluronic acid. It is presented as a miracle stuff in the market, but my thoughts are that it's the maximum information in the market about hyaluronic acid. It is a myth created by these companies. So in this video, I will try to explain you a bit about hyaluronic acid. I will try to keep it very simple. The language will be very simple. I hope that you will understand at the end of this video and you will get some of the quality knowledge. You know, I'm so much frustrated seeing all this stuff that this video I thought to just stand and just to speak just one-to-one, because it's a big bubble of hyaluronic acid created in the market. Everyone is recommending, everyone is hyping it up, but actually hyaluronic acid is made by our own body and it is present in the dermis layer of our skin. The outer skin, this one, it is epidermis, and the internal one where this hyaluronic acid is present, it is dermis, and it gets its all food and all the stuff from the food that we eat, the water that we drink. So the things that you apply on your face, they remain on the epidermis. Anything, even there are in the injection forms also, it all will remain up to the epidermis. Nothing is going to reach up to dermis. So applying all this, it's not going to create so much good effects. Even you just take any of the cream that you have bought that have this hyaluronic acid, you will find that all of them have sodium hyaluronate. This is the cheapest form of hyaluronic acid. This is used just because there is a bubble, and this is used in maximum of the stuff. It's not so good for your skin, but it's very cheap. And yes, everyone is hyped about hyaluronic acid. That's why it is used in every product that claims to have hyaluronic acid. Just right now, you just look at your product and you will see it has sodium hyaluronate. This is what it has, and it is cheap. No, you understood, right? Now, when a person uses hyaluronic acid for a small period of time, you get that hydration, you get that good look. How it happens? Actually, hyaluronic acid, as I told you before, takes its food, the hydration from the stuff near to it. So if you will apply it on your skin, then from where it will take its hydration? Yes, it will take it from your skin. So for a short period of time, you will see good effects. But the constant use of this hyaluronic acid will actually dry up your skin because it's taking all the hydration from the skin itself. So if you don't want these bad effects, try to avoid the products that claims to have hyaluronic acid. You just see the products when you are buying the cosmetic products and see if it has hyaluronic acid. Try to avoid them because maximum of the companies are using it and we get a small time effect and then skin back to dehydrated. Even in the lips you will see these results, even on the cheeks you will see this dryness. Maybe you have tried the hyaluronic acid and for a time you have got a good glow, you have got that puffiness, that hydrated skin, but later you will get the negative effects that are the dryness of the skin, maybe cause the inflammation of the skin. So if you don't want all these, you should avoid hyaluronic acid. But if you want a very short period of time results, then you can go for a hyaluronic acid. Frankly speaking, I will not go for that if I know that I'm going to have the negative effects. So it's a personal choice. These are my own views. What to use then? Use the moisturizers. It's simple. If you are getting the side effects of this hyaluronic acid, first of all, avoid it and use good moisturizer. You can even use moisturizer with few drops of oil and it will give good hydration to your skin. Always remember, use the moisturizer on the wet skin, especially with the oil. Don't use it directly on the dry skin. It's not good because the work of the oils will be to lock the hydration in your skin. So your skin should be hydrated. I have lots of videos on my channel where I try to make very simple yet effective home cosmetic products, the natural ones. You can just have a look. I'll put the links in the description box below. You can make them at home. It's 100% natural because you have made by yourself. It's gonna take 5 minutes and that's all. Ayurveda always recommends it's better to apply only the things that you can eat on your skin. I believe in that. That's why I recommend all this. I hope the message is clear. You got some of the information. Smile more. You are beautiful. You'll be more beautiful using the natural products. Stay happy.